Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to connect your device to the computer with USB cable. So after you do that, you firstly have to turn off your Samsung, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you'll end up in recovery mode. So here with the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.